Open it. What is it?
Roman, did you get mail?
Yeah?
Yeah? Is it from Grandma?
Open it. Here. What is it, Roman? Is that from your grandma? That says Roman. Here, I'm asked. Oh, another envelope to open. Oh, what is it? Oh, wow, what is that?
Hello.
Roro.
What's it?
What's that? Is that Roman and the Ossos? Oh. Oh, are you kissing it? Are you kissing Roman? And what's this?
Kick.
Are those stickers?
This. And that.
You want those stickers?
Yeah.
Are those your stickers from Grandma? What is it? What's this? What is it?
It's that.
Okay, let's do the stickers.